Could this fitting be the last sprinkler fitting that you ever need? Let's find out. I'm Sprinkler Nerd Andy, and you're watching Sprinkler TV. So this is called an efficient fitting for good reason, because this is a 4-in-1 fitting, also known as a swing barbed elbow. This goes into the bottom of a sprinkler. It connects to the swing pipe or the funny pipe or the service pipe, which then connects to the lateral line. And sprinklers come in 1/2-inch sizes and they come in 3/4-inch sizes. Swing pipe or funny pipe comes in 3/8-inch size. It also comes in 1/2-inch size. So you have 4 possible combinations, and this one fitting replaces all 4 sprinklers. Let's take a look. We have 1/2-inch diameter threads at the top, 3/4-inch diameter threads at the bottom, 1/2-inch size insert fitting here, and then 3/8-inch insert fitting there. And I was a little bit skeptical at first, because when you first look at this fitting, it's awkward to have 2 different threads on top of each other. And I thought to myself, this 1/2-inch thread is going to push up into a 3/4-inch sprinkler. So I got my good friend, Mr. PGP, Mr. Hunter PGP, and I went ahead and I screwed the fitting right onto the bottom of the sprinkler. Sure enough, it goes until it stops, and it bottoms out in the bottom. Then I opened the canister up to take a look at the inside, and sure enough, it does not protrude through the sprinkler at all. In the bottom of the sprinkler can, there's actually a little lip, and this just sits snug right up against the bottom. So come to find out, on a typical swing barbed elbow, you're only using 1/2 the threads. So that's how we're able to have the 1/2-inch size at the top, 3/4-inch size at the bottom to fit right into the 3/4-inch rotor sprinkler. And then it also fits directly in the 1/2. This is our other good friend, Mr. Pro Spray. And the 1/2-inch thread fits right in the bottom. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And then we have a piece of our Super Blue Irritrol Flex pipe. Let's go ahead and insert this into the swing pipe. Get it going here, back and forth, and then it's spiral, so you can swivel it. But better yet, you can take a second fitting, insert it into the first fitting to give you better leverage, and then you can just twist, and it just threads nicely right inside the pipe. Okay, I know it sounds like I'm pushing really hard because I'm just sitting awkward here at this desk, but there you have it. Fits nicely in the pipe. Now, instead of having 4 different types of fittings to keep on your truck, to keep in your store, to keep in your garage, to have on hand, you can just have one fitting, one highly efficient fitting to replace all those 4. And if you've used these before, drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think, how they worked, how they held up in different climates. Would love to hear that. And if you have not used these before, take a look at Efficient Fittings website. I believe they're giving free samples. And depending on when you're watching this video, we may have samples available at Sprinkler Supply Store as well. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If we can help you with any of your other drip needs, valve needs, controllers, sprinklers, we're happy to help. You can reach us by phone, chat, email, text message. Until the next Sprinkler Supply Store product overview, happy sprinkling. We'll see you then.